Okay, Andres, let me just appraise you what I've got here. This is my PCB for milling. I ground it through this bracket which touches the PCB, so basically when the tip touches the copper, that's a touch off. So if I enter, for example, 48007 and go back here, it touches off. Now this is 00. The problem I have is with every tool change, if I can simulate what happens during the tool change, I just move this a little way and maybe move this up a little. So the program is running and our tool change is due. So it goes back to 00 and the program stops. Now I haven't got any option to continue here. If I do, it'll do that, which isn't what I want at all. Ideally what I want is when I click continue that the tool descends, touches the surface again, and then we can continue. And it suddenly struck me it wouldn't be that hard to do in your code because you've already got the code there. We just need to treat this as a fixed tool sensor plate, albeit not of machine codes but with user-defined codes. If I always make sure that 00 is never milled, there will always be a conductive path. So this is essentially becomes a fixed tool sensor plate at 00. As long as I can go to settings and go to tool sensor, and where it says tool sensor fixed, have an option, a checkbox to say user defined, a bit like when you had here user defined, then that would solve my problem. I could then on every tool change have it descend, touch off, and off it goes again, which would be a magnificent feature, because at the minute it's a real chore, the tool changes, and I'm hoping now just with one simple little addition to your code that would help me out greatly, and others. Thanks very much.